What's up, Visionaries? Welcome back to the Arc Vision Fam Jam. My name's Anton, and hopefully all of you guys are having a fantastic day because today's support squad request comes from Merrick, and this is Linkin Park's Numb NES. I've heard this song before. Everybody's heard this song before, but let's really dive into it. Actually, check out like the music video and really kind of figure out what this song is really about. And that's it. So let's go to Linkin Park. Numb. Man, that song is such a masterpiece. I think that, man, on every level, it's just so cutting. It's just there's no bullshit. There's no hiding what it's about. There's no it's just such a straightforward song, in the most beautiful way. And in the most powerful way. It's just that when you don't sugarcoat the metaphors and add all you know what I mean? When you don't try to hide what the song's about, when you're just yeah, this song's about pain. That I find that stuff is the stuff that really hits you, and especially with what happened at Chester, which obviously rest in peace. Which is almost like a cliche to say. It's I don't know, I find that whole thing weird. It's just as a human being, it's almost I want to say something more than just rest in peace. I find that's such a cliche thing to say. After someone dies, everyone's oh, rest in peace, to the point where it becomes meaningless. Where when you actually look at this guy's art and how much he put himself out there, it's just yeah, we lost a very beautiful human being. We lost someone who pushed in some sense like the realms of vulnerability and the public awareness of. And again, like I like, just saying that, like, it's like, what does that even mean? You know what I mean? Like, because there's so much more than what words can describe. Like, he lived the message. You know what I mean? I this music, this song is huge, 1.6 billion views. Because obviously when someone dies, the view count goes up, but also like more than that, it's just such a brilliant song. And when I set out the first chorus, like I got goosebumps. It was the music, but it was also the imagery of the video. Like, it's funny, like, a lot of people, I'm sure when you watch them react to this song, they're probably jamming out and, they're just like, oh my god, this song is awesome. But like, if you actually like pay attention to the vibe of the song and really listen to it, like, it kind of like puts you in this like emotional trance. Like, if you really feel kind of that pain of like being in high school, like being in high school is brutal.